Creating unique wood projects at home for profit involves a thoughtful blend of creativity, practicality, and business acumen, requiring artisans to consider various factors that can influence their success. One of the first aspects to contemplate is the choice of materials, as the type of wood selected can significantly impact both the aesthetic quality and the durability of the final product. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of unique woodcraft project ideas that can be crafted at home for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Different woods have distinct characteristics. For instance, hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut offer strength and beautiful grain patterns, making them ideal for high-end furniture. Whereas softer woods like pine and cedar are often more affordable and easier to work with, making them suitable for smaller projects or items aimed at beginners. Understanding the properties of various woods, including their workability, cost, and resistance to wear, can guide artisans in selecting the most appropriate materials for their creations, ensuring that the finished products not only look appealing but also stand the test of time. Beyond material selection, artisans must also consider the tools and equipment available for their projects. A well-equipped workshop can enhance the quality and efficiency of the crafting process, allowing for precision and creativity in design. Essential tools such as saws, drills, sanders, and clamps are fundamental for most woodworking projects. While more specialized equipment, like routers or lathes, can enable the creation of intricate designs and shapes. For those just starting out, investing in a few basic tools can be a practical approach, gradually expanding the toolkit as skills develop and project complexity increases. Familiarity with each tool's operation and safety precautions is crucial, as it not only promotes a safer working environment, but also leads to better craftsmanship, ultimately resulting in higher quality products that consumers are more likely to purchase. In addition to tools and materials, understanding the target market is essential for creating wood projects that will be profitable. Researching consumer preferences and current trends in home decor can provide valuable insights that inform the design process. For instance, items like rustic furniture, decorative wall art, and functional storage solutions are often in demand, especially when they reflect contemporary design aesthetics. Engaging with potential customers through social media, local craft fairs, or online marketplaces can help artisans gauge what items resonate most with buyers. By developing a keen sense of the target audience's tastes and preferences, artisans can tailor their projects to meet market demands, increasing the likelihood of successful sales. Furthermore, functionality is a key consideration when designing wood projects for profit. Consumers are increasingly seeking items that not only look good, but also serve practical purposes in their everyday lives. For example, creating multifunctional furniture that combines storage, seating, and decorative elements can appeal to buyers who value efficiency and versatility in their living spaces. Additionally, items such as cutting boards, coasters, and organizers can provide everyday utility while also showcasing the artisan's craftsmanship. Balancing aesthetics with practicality ensures that each piece not only attracts attention, but also meets the functional needs of consumers, making them more likely to make a purchase. Craftsmanship and attention to detail play a pivotal role in determining the perceived value of wood projects. High-quality finishes, precise measurements, and clean lines are indicators of good craftsmanship that can significantly influence a product's marketability. Investing time in sanding, finishing, and ensuring that joints are tight will result in polished final products that buyers are willing to invest in. Moreover, incorporating unique design elements, such as custom carvings, inlays, or mixed materials, can further differentiate a project and attract attention. Consumers often appreciate handmade items that exhibit a high level of artistry and skill, so dedicating time to refining these aspects of craftsmanship can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to craftsmanship, marketing strategies are crucial for successfully selling wood projects. Establishing a recognizable brand can help artisans stand out in a crowded market. This involves creating a cohesive look and feel for products, including consistent packaging and labeling that reflects the brand's identity. Utilizing social media platforms and e-commerce websites can significantly expand an artisan's reach, allowing them to showcase their work to a wider audience. High-quality photographs that capture the beauty and details of each piece are essential for attracting potential buyers online. Engaging storytelling about the creation process or the inspiration behind a project can also create an emotional connection with customers, encouraging them to support the artisan's work. Pricing strategies are vital for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive. Artisans should consider the cost of materials, tools, and time invested in each project when determining prices. It's important to strike a balance between affordability for customers and fair compensation for the artisan's labor and craftsmanship. Researching similar products in the market can provide insights into pricing trends, helping artisans position their offerings appropriately. Additionally, being open to feedback and willing to adjust pricing based on demand can help maximize sales. Sustainability is another important consideration in today's market. Consumers are increasingly seeking out products that are made from sustainably sourced materials or reclaimed wood. Incorporating these elements into wood projects can not only appeal to a broader market, but also align with a growing trend towards responsible consumption. Artisans can explore using non-toxic finishes and adhesives to further enhance the sustainability of their products, creating items that buyers can feel good about purchasing. This focus on sustainability can also be communicated in marketing efforts, highlighting the artisan's commitment to environmentally friendly practices and attracting consumers who prioritize eco-conscious choices. Networking with other artisans and joining woodworking communities can provide valuable support and inspiration. Engaging with fellow woodworkers can lead to collaborative opportunities, sharing of techniques, and insights into best practices for running a woodworking business. Online forums, local woodworking clubs, and social media groups can serve as platforms for exchanging ideas, troubleshooting challenges, and celebrating successes. Building connections within the woodworking community can foster a sense of camaraderie and encourage ongoing learning, ultimately enhancing the quality of the projects being produced. Lastly, the importance of passion and enjoyment in the woodworking process cannot be overstated. When artisans are excited about their projects, it often translates into higher quality work and more innovative designs. Embracing the creative journey, experimenting with new techniques, and allowing for personal expression can lead to unique project ideas that resonate more deeply with consumers. The satisfaction derived from crafting beautiful, functional wooden items can be a powerful motivator, driving artisans to continually improve their skills and explore new horizons in woodworking. In creating unique wood projects at home for profit involves a comprehensive approach that considers material selection, tool availability, market research, functionality, craftsmanship, marketing strategies, pricing, sustainability, networking, and personal passion. By thoughtfully addressing these elements, Artisans can develop innovative and appealing products that resonate with consumers, ensuring both artistic fulfillment and financial success. The journey of crafting wooden items is not just about the end product, but also about the experiences, learning, and connections made along the way. Embracing this process can lead to the creation of truly unique pieces that reflect the artisan's vision and skill, ultimately carving a niche in the market for profitable woodworking endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique woodcraft project ideas that can be crafted at home for profit. Wooden project design ideas to inspire woodworkers or beginner craftsmen for creating wooden gift. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.